Here we go. Having a little trouble. Take my hat off a little bit. Here, see. Have a little trouble with the timing here. This engine has a brand new rebuild on it. Okay, this is my hot wire going into my coil. This is what I'm going to turn on the power with. The points are open, no problem closing them up there. Or clamping that on. Now the trick here is I got the choke closed, you can see. Get a little bit of throttle. Crank it. Take the choke off a little bit. Oh, it doesn't go off a little bit. I'm not hooked up. Disconnect that wire a second. Get this on here. This is a temporary. Need to be able to control it at some level. Okay, hook it under that. That'll hold it. Now let's see. Open it. Okay. Now we can open a little wee bit there. I'll give this another try. No gas. Take the choke off a little more. Try it there.